The trend is your friend until the end when it bends. Marty Zweig. My friends, each and every day we track these charts looking for weekly vertical crossovers. That's when the stock ETF that we're paying attention to literally breaks the trend line and crosses over. And wow, that happened today. Now, it didn't happen on the weekly, but we went from a green up candle to a green spinning top on the S&P 500. In fact, everything is down today. The biggest down, 5.12%, is the long trade it is the long trade on BITI. That's what I'm thinking about, which is the inverse of HOD. We'll get to that in a minute, but look at how things have fallen today. S&P 500 down 2.58% as the market closes. Two-day chart literally just breached over through the weekly trend line here at the end of the week. And this is just the first day of the latest two-day candle, but with that much energy crossing over, I don't think it's going to be popping right back up. You can see how things were down in the morning, even further down in the afternoon. And from what I've been reading, this is based on a good jobs report, because we're not going to see an interest rate reduction now. Is that not completely insane? That's why, what does news matter? We're paying attention to what the charts are showing us. And what we see is a huge bleed off. Now, we'll see how the new week starts, but starting with what's happening on the half day and the 2-day, and this drop right through our established trend line gives us some concerns. Now, we will pay attention to how this new week starts. I think it's probably going to start red. We shall see. And then we shall, of course, take it from there. This has been a great up move so far. It may be taking a break and continuing. So, again, one down day doesn't cut us off, but it's a big down day, my friends. 2.58%. Woo! That is cutting some legs out. But, of course, you can see how well we have done on this big ride up. Look at the NASDAQ down 4.80% in one day, hammering down in the morning, breaching that trend line further down in the afternoon. If any of you went into a panic and pulled your trade in the morning, that's fine. It looks like it went down even further in the afternoon. Have a green spinning top right now, not quite a doji, but we have breached the weekly trend line on the 2-day and the half day. Again, we'll see how this new week starts. The charts, though, were good to us for many, many weeks. Let's take a look at where we are on bonds. They pulled back not as much. In fact, it's the least down of everything, 0.51%. We can see we're sitting right on the weekly trend line on both the 2-day and the half day. Still have a green up candle. We'll see how this new week starts on TLT. And gold pulling back strong. We can see where the candle is sitting right here on the floor that we put in here, the potential support level. You can see where we push through it on the 2-day and the half day, breaching it in the morning and the afternoon. See how this new week starts and if the weekly is going to be penetrating that, or things are going to be holding up. But again, huge down day. And of course, where we have been on BITI with the inverse on HODL, isn't that sweet? 5.12%. Let me put in BITI for you. That is the inverse of Bitcoin. And of course, we can see here that what a spectacular candle, only beaten out by the candle back at the beginning of February. Well, it's about the same. So no, the one in February is a little bigger, but just crazy, crazy moves as Bitcoin has been crashing and BITI has been going up. And you can see, even with all the volatility today, only a 10% spread between, it's now down to 6%, again, an aftermarket. But again, quite liquid and great to see in an inverse fund. You won't see that in the gold inverse DGZ. That's why we don't trade it. We do puts. when we are practice trading inverses on gold. So that is where we are as we end the week. It's going to be fascinating to see how Monday starts and where it leads us to. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.